Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm really happy you're here today because we're talking about something we all have, but not everyone thinks about our daily routine.
Yes, daily routines shape our lives. They decide how we start our morning, how productive we are, and even how we feel before we go to bed.
Exactly. And sometimes just understanding your own routine can help you improve your day in a big way.
So today, we're going to walk through a full daily routine step by step, the simple things people do every day from morning to night.
Let's start from the very beginning, the moment you wake up. Maya, how do you usually start your day?
First thing I do is open my eyes slowly. I don't jump out of bed. I take a moment to stretch my arms and breathe. It helps me wake up calmly.
That's a great start. For me, I like to sit up for a moment before touching my phone. I just breathe, stretch a little, and let my body wake up naturally.
Phones really pull our attention fast. So giving yourself even 30 seconds of quiet makes a huge difference.
After that, I head to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water, brush my teeth, and feel more alive instantly.
Same here. That cold water wakes me up. Then I get ready for the day, washing, brushing, and doing my morning routine.
Now let's talk about breakfast. Maya, what do you usually eat?
I usually have something light like toast, eggs, or fruit. And of course, coffee.
Coffee is part of many people's routine. For me, I like tea in the morning. But the most important thing is that I eat something small to start the day with energy.
And during breakfast, a lot of people like to plan their day. Alex, do you plan your day in the morning?
I do. I look at my tasks and choose 3 important things I need to finish. Just 3. It keeps the day simple and focused.
I do something similar. I check my schedule, think about work, meetings, or anything important. It helps me feel prepared.
After that, it's time to start the day. Maybe work, maybe school, maybe doing chores at home. Everyone's daily routine is different, but the goal is the same. Move forward with clarity.
Yes, when I start working, I like to begin with an easy task, something small to warm up my brain before jumping into difficult work.
That's a very good strategy. I sometimes do the same. It builds momentum.
Around midday, it's important to take a break. Stand up, walk around, stretch, drink water. Just give your mind a moment.
Breaks are not a waste of time. They help your brain reset so you can work better later.
Then comes lunch. A lot of people eat quickly, but I try to slow down and enjoy my food. It's my chance to relax a little.
Same. Even 10 minutes of peaceful eating can make the whole afternoon smoother.
Now, afternoons can be tricky. Energy drops, motivation fades. Alex, how do you stay productive?
I focus on smaller tasks. I try not to push myself too hard. And if I feel tired, I drink water or take a short walk.
That's a smart way to handle it. Small tasks still move the day forward.
Exactly. And when the workday ends, I like to tidy my space. A clean desk makes the next day feel easier.
I do that too. It's like closing the chapter of the day.
In the evening, routines change depending on the person. Some people rest, some cook dinner, some exercise or spend time with family.
For me, evenings are peaceful. I change into comfortable clothes, prepare dinner, and take it slow. It feels like a reset.
I like to step outside for fresh air in the evening. It helps me release stress.
After dinner, many people enjoy activities like reading, watching a show, or talking with friends.
Yes, evenings are the perfect time to relax. The day is almost done, and it's time to unwind.
And then comes the final part of the routine, nighttime. Alex, how do you end your day?
I like to turn off bright lights, use warm lighting, and put my phone away. Then I take a moment to reflect on my day and think about what I'm grateful for.
That's beautiful. I usually listen to calming music or read for a little bit. It helps me wind down.
Finally, we set our alarms, get comfortable, and go to sleep. A good night's sleep prepares us for a better tomorrow.
And that's what a daily routine really is. A cycle that helps us live better, stay organized, and feel balanced.
Exactly. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Small steps that set the tone for your whole day.
Before we end today's podcast, we want to hear from you.
Yes. In the comments, tell us, what is one thing you do every day that helps you stay balanced?
We love reading your answers. They inspire us and help other listeners too.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who might find it helpful.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Take care, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.